I can sit down and read images for hours and just be immersed in reading, and that's just because I love it so much, and I really enjoy sharing that passion and feeding off the passion that the residents give me in return when they're very passionate about radiology. One thing I really like about the Rochester General program is the small class size.
And the culture is that it's very, it can be very approachable, it's very laid back, and very collegial.
Each resident is able to have one-on-one time with faculty members during rotations, sorting studies at the workstation and learning directly from faculty.
And particularly I think the main benefit is usually there's fewer fellows than residents. You could have really early exposure to advanced imaging such as like MRI, procedures, etc. Like day 2, I think I read an MRI brain and I started reading MR and getting exposure to that. And I don't think at a lot of other places you would get exposure that quickly.
Our residency program is a great mix of both an academic approach and a private practice approach to a diagnostic radiology residency. Rochester General Hospital, where residents spend the majority of their time, draws patients from a very large geographic area. Because of that, they are well versed in acute imaging, such as being a major stroke center, acute cardiothoracic imaging, and trauma, as well as being well versed in diagnosing and staging cancers, treatment follow-up. We want residents to leave our program well-rounded. We've introduced new series of lectures on topics outside of radiology, such as personal finance, budgeting, stress management, and these are topics that will benefit a resident both during training and in their career.
It seems like a really small thing, but like those are things that I don't know, it's just really nice to have people talk to you about that, in different settings.
Our residents match at top fellowship programs throughout the country. Some residents choose to stay in Rochester, and they may stay for our own neuroradiology fellowship. Others choose to go elsewhere throughout the U.S. Over 4 years, you're going to be amazed at the growth in resident knowledge, and as students gain knowledge and they're able to apply it to those more advanced studies, I think it's very rewarding both for them and for me to see the level of knowledge and expertise they've achieved.